You're dizzy, aren't you? Yeah.
Monet.
Dizzy boy.
Monet. 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 Hi. Hi.
Ready?
Are you a happy girl? Are you a happy girl? Yeah? Are you a happy girl? Yeah? Yeah, listen, Grandpa. Yeah? What? What? Are you a happy girl? Huh? Are you a happy girl? Monet, are you a happy girl? Yes? Are you a happy girl? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah? What? What? Uh-oh. What's Grandpa doing with Ethan? Whee! Whee!
Where's your pants at?
His pants are all over there on the table. Yeah? Yeah? What? 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 Do you hear Grandpa playing with Ethan? Yes? Yes? Yeah? Yeah? Listen, Grandpa. Listen. Yeah. Say what? Yeah? Yeah?
You ready?
Yeah.
Stand up.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was fun, wasn't it? I'm going to do that again. Ready?
Oh, yes.
Oh, that wore me out.
Yes.
That wore me out, Ethan.
Oh, he's a happy girl.
I'm tired now.
Aren't you a happy girl?
Doesn't take much, does it?
Are you a happy girl?